Since ancient times, human beings have been in constant pursuit of ways to keep food fresh. Nowadays, based on breakthrough in the core technology for freezing food quickly, Square Technology has managed to establish a cold chain ecosystem that keeps food fresh for a longer time, delivering delicious and fresh food to the world and leading the way in modern lifestyles and food culture. Square Technology's mission is to provide the highest quality cold chain equipment and holistic ecological solutions for a better life. We are committed to becoming the leading provider of integrated cold chain solutions in the industry. We add freshness to a better life. For more than 30 years, Square Technology has continuously refined its products and processes, providing integrated solutions for customers in food processing, flash frozen foods, cold chain storage, transportation, and other related fields. We lead a better life. Square Technology has established a comprehensive application database to continue our customer-oriented technological innovation, integrating the genes of concentration and innovation into the bloodline of corporate development. We keep a better life fresh. We bring ingenuity to lean production modes with industry-leading production lines as we continue to create value for our customers. We firmly believe that only by prioritizing operation and maintenance can resolve the problem of loss. Relying on our big data systems, we offer smart services with accurate foresight. We continue to enrich the content of fresh life. Our solutions cover a variety of foods and can continue to deliver fresh value in all aspects, so that the experience of a better life can be extended to every corner of the world. After more than 30 years of development, our products and services are available in more than 80 countries and to more than 3,000 users around the world, constantly enriching the fresh connotations of a better life. In the future, we will continue to uphold our development philosophy of being professional, dedicated, and focused, while staying true to our regional aspirations and forging ahead to provide high-quality cold chain equipment solutions to the whole world, creating a cold chain ecology and delivering freshness for a better life.